Welcome to Cheers Cafe. I'm Wening. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make a reservation for a birthday party on next Sunday. Will you be available?
Of course, miss. May I have your name, please?
It's Talita.
All right, Miss Talita. Next on the right, how many people will be here approximately?
I'm thinking about 15 people around 4 p.m.
Of course, smoking or non-smoking area. And do you have any special requests, decoration, cake, something like that?
Non smoking, please. We'll bring our own cake, but could the decoration be handled by your team?
Will do. I'll push you through our stuff after this. Is there anything else you like?
No, thank you.
Okay, our staff will be put through with you immediately. Thank you, Miss Talita.
Hey, good morning. I'm Michelle. How can I help you?
Hey Michelle, I'm Talita. Winning said you and your team will handle the decoration for guests' reservation?
Yes, that's true. And I also see here that your reservation is for 15 people. So, what decoration style do you prefer? Contemporary, floral, or something more on the minimalistic side, perhaps?
I'd say we keep it simple and clean, but I'd like the decoration to have a few hints of blush pink color, please.
Okay, perfect. If you have any reference pictures, you can send it to my Instagram direct message so we can be on the same page. Here's my username.
Alright, the pictures will be sent as soon as I get home.
Okay, is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks, Michelle. That's all.
Alright, we can discuss this further later on. Thank you, Miss Talita.
Thank you, Michelle. Have a nice day.